That guy literally has a cover for his snowblower. Look at it.
Like, that's like insane. Oh my god, it goes up. We didn't even shovel yet. Like, Dana, that's my front porch. You know how, like, low that is to the ground? Look, everyone's, like, outside shoveling. I got snow on the floor. I know. I got snow on the floor. Look, there's a little,
Nice one,
my
Kayla.
little neighbor.
So hot, but I'm wearing all this and then I'm wearing my snow pants. I'm going out to shovel now though. Like right there, if you look out there. I was just right there in those trees. This tower right here, we walked like right under. And then we walked through, and then we walked through that big field all the way over. And we went like down there, and like we just were like playing on the circle. Like right there is like a circle, but you can't see because it's just snow. And then we came up here. Those are my footprints. We'll clean off the car a little bit. He's shoveling too. Look at him. She's gonna get covered over again.
Chloe, you can't go outside anymore. We might lose you.
The recycle bin is right there. And you can't even see it because the snow is covering it.
Did you pull your, what's your wipers up? Is that what you were supposed to do or something? What's that, a bird? That's a bird. What are you doing,
Look at the line right above you.
Poor bird.
Jake, look at the line right above you, almost like the window at our house. At our house.
I think that's just chilling, man. Poor bird got no place to go. Where's he going?
Come in the house.
Yeah, come on, bird. Pretty sure we had a bird in here one time at least.
We had.
You have pretty big walls.
We did.
There you go.
Actually, I remember that.
That's crazy that it's just like, it's not stopping. But the field is like weird, because like you can still see where it's at in the field.
I kind of want to
shovel back from Kayla though?
No. Look at the neighbor's grill right there.
Sam, it's like, look looking forward to school on Monday.
The grill's right there. Those dolphins right there look like they're giving birth. They've been there for so many years, like
Wait, what?
15 years.
Dolphins?
Yeah, look at the dolphins right there.
Dolphins?
Yeah, right there. They're like the wind.
Oh, our dolphins.
Yeah, I don't
on
know
the wind
why they're
chimes.
there. Your head's in the way.